everyone, my name is Ankana and I'm currently pursuing PGDM in HR from BIMTECH. And today we are very thrilled to have with us Mr. Prathap Das, Regional Head South Asia AACSB International. Hello sir, good morning. How are you feeling sir to be here in BIMTECH?
Thank you Ankana for the invite. I'm very happy to be here. As an AACSB accredited school, we are always, we like the idea of visiting the schools where the accreditation has taken place, gives us an opportunity to meet faculty and students.
Right, sir. So, sir, recently an alum from BIMTECH, Miss Manya Jha, she has received the Influential Leaders Award by AACSB. So, my question to you, sir, is that how does Manya Jha's achievement align with BIMTECH's values and AACSB values of engagement, impact, and innovation?
Thank you for the question, a very relevant question when it comes to impact. Many AACSB schools have initiatives, and some of them are reported, some of them are not reported. In the case of BIMTECH, the school took the initiative of sending the nomination last year, and we were very happy to have a nomination, and finally the committee decided to confer the award and in the category of technology, and we are very happy to have her as a winner. When it comes to alignment, as far as her achievement is concerned, we have realized that it matches with the vision, and it is also not just the achievement of a B school. We also would like to highlight here it's the community that is benefited with this outcome. So at one side we see her as a winner, and on the other side the school is also getting benefited through her achievement, and it also re-emphasizes on the values like community engagement and societal impact. So we are very happy to be here as far as the award is concerned, and at some point I'll meet her personally, and it's an extreme proud moment for not just BIMTECH but also for the students and faculty of BIMTECH.
Right, sir. That was a very insightful answer. So, sir, the next question is, what message you want to send to the wider community of BIMTECH with regard to this nomination and the prize winning of Miss Manya Jha?
In terms of the messaging, what I would like to do is I've kind of had a conversation with the faculty some time back, and I would like to emphasize that schools should continue to invest their time and start reporting these initiatives to AACSB. At some point, there will be occasions like this, what we have for Ms. Manya Jha today. We would like to make sure that these initiatives are reported at a bigger forum, and typically schools in South Asia have that tendency to do more for the society. We just want to make sure that the schools report this on a regular basis, and not just reporting but also making sure that there is impact being created in the society. And for students and faculty, again, who are the support system here at the school level, this also sets as a great motivator for them to do more. And we always tell students from the AACSB schools or the learners from the AACSB schools that do not consider this just as a personal achievement. At one point, when you become leaders in the society, you also have to think broadly and see how you can help society at large.
So the next question to you, sir, is how can BIMTECH leverage its accreditation, AACSB accreditation, for international collaborations and faculty-student developments?
As an accredited school, BIMTECH is in the top 6% of the AACSB accredited schools globally. This opens doors to BIMTECH to enter into the elite network of schools, where you can have joint collaborations. You can also talk about student immersions. There is also opportunity where you can have areas and research papers that you can share and discuss. So there is a lot of value as far as the leverage part is concerned, and we highly recommend schools and stakeholders to actively use this. We also have section where faculty members can regularly post, and there are affinity groups where we open this up for faculty members who can contribute. So clearly there are a lot of opportunities where these schools can take the advantage. One last area that I would like to highlight is also the research collaboration. We often see schools missing this part, but there is that network of AACSB schools, 6% top globally. They can come together and have research collaboration. So we highly encourage schools to consider this as an option beyond other benefits that I have just outlined.
Thank you, sir. Sir, are there any specific initiatives or networks which are available within AACSB where BIMTECH can play a very active or leadership role?
Yes. Thank you again for this question. What I would like to highlight here is, as an accredited school, we request the stakeholders here at BIMTECH to attend our conferences regularly. And we have some 3 large format events globally. The first one is a Dean's Conference which is happening in Toronto. This year we had twice, which is one in Las Vegas in February, and that is where Manya Jha's award announcement was made. So unfortunately, we could not get the award to her back then, but I'm personally here to hand over the award. So these events actually give a platform for faculty members, for deans and directors and leadership to come and have those conversations with other schools. The kind of conversations that we typically see is basically combination of how do they collaborate, what kind of initiatives the schools are taking, how can they replicate, how they can do better initiatives at the school level. So we recommend schools to look at our events closely. And not just international events, we also have, there's also another large format event, which is international conference and annual meeting. This is likely to take place in April 2026 in Seattle. And globally, we have close to 1,400 faculty, deans and directors attending. So these are events that will have very strong impact, when it comes to networking, collaboration with other like-minded schools from the AACSB network.
So my last question to you is, sir, what advice would you like to give to the BIMTECH students, who are aspiring for making a global impact through business education?
Thank you. For a school like BIMTECH, you already have a very strong alum network, and one of the examples is also the winner who is coming, and many such winners in different category who can come back to campus and talk to students on a regular basis. My advice would be, students have to be staying relevant, stay grounded, and consider this 2 year of your program here, where the learning is not just for you, but also when you go out to the society, you are solving real world problems, so real world challenges. So we recommend students to use this as a playground to really use the potential here at a school, a strong network of alum, a very experienced faculty, excellent infrastructure in the school. This is the time that you should start utilizing all of these in your favor. And when you are ready to conquer the world outside, be in the space of as a startup, as an entrepreneurs in the startup ecosystem, or serving the corporate life, we highly recommend that you follow these things closely. And this platform is an amazing platform where you can explore and do better in life. So idea is stay relevant, stay grounded, and stay positive. Use this as an opportunity to literally leapfrog and go to the next level in your life.
Thank you so much, sir. It was amazing to have you here with us. It was a pleasure for all of us.
Thank you so much for the time. I also would like to highlight at this moment, I'm grateful to the authorities here, the stakeholders who gave me the opportunity to come and talk about AACSB. As the world's largest accreditor, it's an honor to always come back to schools that are AACSB accredited. I take a moment to also highlight, as a region, India is becoming the fastest moving region globally, after US, where we have the maximum number of business schools as members. We have a very strong presence of business schools here. We have at this moment 25 accredited schools. There are many in the pipeline. But schools that have been accredited are always special to us because they have completed the cycle, they have undergone the standards. There is alignment now, with AACSB standards, and you also align with your mission and vision statement. So very happy to be here, and I look forward to coming back to the campus very soon. Thank you for the time.
Thank you.